Comparing Yulan to other amphibious assault ships. Overview of the Yulan Class Type 076. The Yulan class, officially known as the Type 076 amphibious assault ship, represents a significant advancement in naval warfare technology, particularly in the realm of amphibious operations. Constructed at the Changxing Island shipyard in Shanghai, the Type 076 boasts innovative features such as twin island superstructures, which are designed to optimize aviation operations and enhance the ship's overall capabilities. This report aims to compare the Type 076 with other notable amphibious assault ships globally, focusing on design, operational capabilities, and technological advancements. Key features of the Type 076. 1. Twin island configuration. The Type 076 employs a twin island design similar to that of the UK's Queen Elizabeth-class aircraft carriers and Italy's Trieste LHD. This configuration improves air operations by allowing one island to focus on navigation while the other manages flight operations. The separation of these functions enhances operational efficiency, particularly during complex air missions. 2. Enhanced air operations. The Type 076 features a large flight deck capable of accommodating a diverse array of aircraft, including heavier drones. It is anticipated to incorporate advanced systems such as Electromagnetic Aircraft Launch Systems (EMALS) and arrestor wires, which would significantly extend its operational scope beyond traditional amphibious assaults. 3. Size and capacity. Measuring approximately 864 feet in length and 141 feet in width, the Type 076 sits between the Type 075 amphibious assault ship and China's largest aircraft carrier, the Fujian. This size allows for a more extensive array of aircraft and supports various mission profiles, including air support, reconnaissance, and strike operations. Comparative analysis. When comparing the Type 076 to other amphibious assault ships, several notable distinctions and similarities arise. Italian Navy's Trieste. Like the Type 076, the Trieste features a twin island design and is similar in size. However, it lacks the advanced technological features anticipated in the Type 076, particularly regarding drone operations and the integration of EMALS. While the Trieste focuses primarily on rotary wing operations, the Type 076's potential for heavy drone deployment marks a significant evolution in its operational capabilities. U.S. Navy's America-class LHD. The America-class ships are designed with a focus on aviation operations but are primarily equipped for rotary wing operations. The Type 076's emphasis on integrating both crewed and uncrewed aircraft positions it as a more versatile platform, capable of adapting to various mission requirements in an evolving maritime landscape. UK Queen Elizabeth-class carriers. While primarily aircraft carriers, the Queen Elizabeth-class ships share a similar twin-island configuration with the Type 076. The operational focus, however, is different, as these carriers are designed for fixed-wing aircraft operations, while the Type 076 aims to blend both air and amphibious assault capabilities. Technological advancements. The incorporation of advanced technologies in the Type 076 sets it apart from its peers. The expected use of EMALS for launching drones and aircraft is a significant step forward, as it enhances the ship's ability to operate a wider variety of aircraft, including heavier drones that can perform complex missions such as maritime strike and intelligence gathering. Timeline of developments. September 2024, the Type 076 was first observed with one island superstructure installed, followed by the addition of the second island shortly thereafter. This rapid construction pace highlights China's commitment to advancing its naval capabilities. October 2024, reports indicated that the ship's features are being tailored to support an extensive aerial component, which includes the potential deployment of advanced drones like the GJ-11 UCAV. Common themes in development. Sources consistently emphasize the Type 076's role in enhancing China's amphibious capabilities and its focus on air operations. The twin island design is frequently highlighted as a critical innovation that reflects a broader trend toward integrating air power with amphibious assault platforms. Strategic implications. The development of the Type 076 is not merely a technological advancement but also a response to regional security challenges. It signifies China's intent to bolster its maritime power projection capabilities, particularly in the Indo-Pacific region. The ability to deploy a versatile air wing capable of conducting a range of operations from direct assaults to reconnaissance and strike missions positions the People's Liberation Army Navy plan as a formidable maritime force. Conclusion. The Type 076 Yulan Class Amphibious Assault Ship epitomizes a significant evolution in naval warfare, integrating advanced technologies and emphasizing air power. Its twin-island design and enhanced operational capabilities distinguish it from other amphibious assault ships globally. As China continues to develop this class, it is poised to redefine amphibious operations and maritime strategy in the region. Reflecting broader trends in naval warfare that prioritize versatility and technological integration. The ongoing developments in the Type 076 design and capabilities will likely set new standards for future amphibious assault platforms worldwide. The comparison between China's Yulan Class Type 076 amphibious assault ship and other global amphibious assault ships reveals several counterintuitive aspects, particularly regarding its design capabilities and potential operational roles. 1. Twin island design. While the twin island configuration is often associated with larger aircraft carriers like the Queen Elizabeth class, its application to an amphibious assault ship is not as common. This design choice, which might seem counterintuitive for a vessel primarily intended for amphibious operations, actually enhances the Type 076 capabilities in air operations. The separation of navigation and flight control functions allows for more efficient management of the air wing, which is increasingly incorporating advanced drone technologies. This suggests that the Type 076 is being developed not just as a traditional amphibious platform but as a multi-role vessel that emphasizes air dominance. 2. Integration of drones. The emphasis on accommodating heavier drones and potentially fixed-wing aircraft is a significant departure from traditional amphibious assault ship roles, which have focused primarily on rotary wing operations. This shift indicates a strategic pivot in naval warfare where drones will play a central role in operations that were once the domain of manned aircraft. The expectation that the Type 076 will integrate advanced unmanned combat aerial vehicles UCAVs like the GJ-11 for roles such as maritime strike and intelligence surveillance and reconnaissance ISR showcases a broader trend in military aviation towards unmanned systems. This counters the traditional view that amphibious ships are primarily for troop transport and helicopter operations. 3. Operational scope. The expectation that the Type 076 will operate in a variety of roles, including support for land operations and air superiority, challenges the conventional perception of amphibious assault ships as straightforward transport vessels. Instead, it is being positioned to engage in complex operations that require a high degree of air support and integration with other naval assets. This multifunctionality may redefine how amphibious operations are conducted, with the Type 076 potentially acting as a floating platform for air operations rather than solely for launching ground forces. 4. Technological advancements. The incorporation of advanced systems such as Electromagnetic Aircraft Launch Systems (EMALS) and arrestor wires is often associated with aircraft carriers, not amphibious assault ships. This technological leap may seem counterintuitive given the traditional roles of LHDs and LHA ships, which typically do not require such systems. However, the Type 076 design reflects a forward-thinking approach that anticipates the need for enhanced launch and recovery capabilities for both crewed and uncrewed aircraft in a contested maritime environment. 5. Size and capacity implications. While the Type 076 is larger than traditional amphibious assault ships, its size is often viewed as a disadvantage for rapid deployment of troops and equipment. However, this increased capacity allows for a more substantial air wing and the potential to project power over greater distances. The ability to host a diverse array of aircraft, including heavier fixed-wing drones, could enhance its role in power projection and maritime security operations. contrary to the belief that smaller ships are inherently more agile or effective for amphibious landings. 6. Strategic positioning. The development of the Type 076 must be understood in the context of China's broader maritime strategy and regional security challenges. The ship's advanced features may appear excessive for typical amphibious operations, however, they are aligned with China's ambitions to expand its influence in the Indo-Pacific region. This reflects a counterintuitive prioritization of air power in naval operations, suggesting that future conflicts may be dominated by aerial engagements rather than traditional ship-to-shore assaults. In conclusion, the Type 076 Yulan Class Amphibious Assault Ship represents a significant evolution in naval warfare, integrating advanced technologies and emphasizing air power in ways that challenge traditional views of amphibious operations. Its design and capabilities indicate a shift towards more versatile and responsive military assets, which may redefine the role of amphibious assault ships in future conflicts. The report on China's Yulan Class Type 076 Amphibious Assault Ship presents several key aspects that are crucial to understand its significance in the context of modern naval warfare. While many details may catch attention, there are several overlooked elements that merit deeper examination. 1. Twin island configuration. The choice of a twin island design is significant for a few reasons. First, it optimizes the management of air operations, which is becoming increasingly vital in naval engagements. The separation of navigation and flight control functions allows for more efficient command and control, especially under combat conditions. This design has been implemented in larger carriers like the UK's Queen Elizabeth class, indicating a trend towards more sophisticated naval architecture aimed at enhancing operational effectiveness. Significance. As naval warfare evolves, the ability to manage air operations efficiently can be a decisive factor in battles. The Type 076 design reflects a shift towards integrating air power into amphibious operations, a capability that could outpace traditional models focused primarily on rotary wing aircraft. This shift may allow for more versatile responses in conflicts, particularly in the Indo-Pacific region. 2. Emphasis on drones. The Type 076 expected capabilities, including the use of heavy drones like the GJ-11 UCAV, represent a pivotal change in the operational scope of amphibious assault ships. These drones could perform a variety of roles from reconnaissance to strike missions, extending the reach of naval forces significantly. Significance. The integration of drones is not just a technological advancement, it marks a paradigm shift in naval warfare strategies. The capacity to deploy unmanned systems will allow for more dynamic and flexible responses to threats, potentially reshaping engagement rules and tactics in future conflicts. 3. Size and versatility. With its dimensions placing it between the Type 075 amphibious assault ship and the Fujian aircraft carrier, the Type 076 is designed to be a versatile platform capable of supporting a wide range of missions. This size enables it to host various aircraft types, including heavier drones, and suggests that it may operate both as an amphibious assault ship and as a more conventional aircraft carrier. Significance. The versatility of the Type 076 could allow the People's Liberation Army Navy plan to adapt to different operational scenarios without needing to rely on multiple specialized vessels. In an era of budget constraints and increasing operational demands, such multipurpose capabilities could enhance the effectiveness and efficiency of naval operations. 4. Technological advancements. The anticipated use of advanced systems like Electromagnetic Aircraft Launch Systems (EMALS) and potential arrestor wires for fixed-wing drone operations signifies a leap in technology. These systems are expected to enhance the operational capabilities of the Type 076, allowing for more efficient launches and recoveries of aircraft, particularly in high-stakes scenarios. Significance. The incorporation of such advanced technologies not only places the Type 076 at the forefront of naval innovation but also reflects China's broader military modernization efforts. As nations adapt to new technologies, those that leverage such advancements effectively may gain strategic advantages in future conflicts. 5. Strategic context. The development of the Type 076 should be viewed within the larger framework of China's maritime ambitions and regional security dynamics. The focus on enhancing amphibious capabilities suggests a strategic intention to project power beyond its shores, particularly in contested regions such as the South China Sea and around Taiwan. Significance. Understanding the Type 076 in this context highlights its role as both a military asset and a symbol of China's growing assertiveness on the global stage. The ship serves as a platform for projecting influence, conducting power projection operations, and potentially executing amphibious assaults, which could have significant implications for regional stability. 6. Construction pace. The rapid pace of construction for the Type 076 at the Changxing Island shipyard indicates a commitment to advancing naval capabilities quickly. This urgency reflects China's recognition of the need to enhance its naval forces in light of regional threats and evolving military technologies. Significance. The speed of development not only showcases China's industrial capabilities but also illustrates its strategic priorities. A rapidly advancing amphibious assault capability can alter the balance of power in the region and prompt responses from neighboring countries, potentially leading to an arms race. Conclusion. While the Type 076 amphibious assault ship is a significant technological advancement, its implications extend far beyond its specifications. The twin island design, emphasis on drones' versatility, technological innovations, strategic context, and construction pace together paint a picture of a vessel that embodies a shift in naval warfare. As nations adapt to new challenges and technologies, the capabilities represented by the Type 076 could play a crucial role in shaping future military engagements, making it an asset of considerable importance for the plan and a focal point of interest for global military observers. 1. Innovation through twin island design. The twin island configuration of the Type 076 amphibious assault ship marks a significant advancement in naval design aimed at optimizing air operations. This feature, also present in other modern vessels like the UK's Queen Elizabeth class and Italy's Trieste, facilitates a more streamlined management of both navigation and flight control. This dual-island setup allows for a dedicated control center for aircraft, enhancing operational efficiency, particularly for rotary and fixed-wing aircraft, and accommodating the upcoming integration of heavier drones. 2. Enhanced air operations capability. The Type 076 is set to redefine the role of amphibious assault ships by emphasizing air power integration. Its expansive flight deck is designed to support a diverse air wing, which includes advanced capabilities such as Electromagnetic Aircraft Launch Systems (EMALS) and recovery systems for fixed-wing drones. This represents a significant shift from traditional amphibious assault ships that primarily focus on rotary wing operations. The potential inclusion of the GJ-11 UCAV for maritime strike and intelligence roles further underlines this ship's enhanced operational scope. 3. Strategic implications for China's naval power. The development of the Type 076 class is indicative of China's broader military strategy, reflecting its ambitions in the Indo-Pacific region. By incorporating advanced technologies and a focus on air superiority, the Type 076 positions itself as a critical asset for the People's Liberation Army Navy plan. This evolution in design signals a shift towards more versatile and responsive amphibious operations, allowing China to project power and enhance its maritime capabilities amidst regional security challenges. For comparative advantages over existing platforms, in comparison to other amphibious assault ships such as Italy's Trieste, the Type 076 showcases superior technological advancements and operational flexibility. The integration of advanced drone capabilities, electromagnetic launch systems, and a larger array of aircraft positions the Type 076 at the forefront of modern naval warfare. This comparative analysis highlights the potential for the Type 076 to not only fulfill traditional amphibious roles but also to expand into multi-domain operations, redefining the future of amphibious warfare. 1. The USS America LHS-6. Commissioned in 2014, the USS America is a WASP-class amphibious assault ship of the United States Navy. Designed to support Marine Corps operations with enhanced aviation capabilities. The ship features a large flight deck and hangar space for various aircraft including MV-22 Ospreys and F-35B Lightning IIs. Its design emphasizes air power projections similar to the Type 076, making it a key asset for amphibious and expeditionary warfare. The USS America lacks a well deck, focusing instead on maximizing aviation operations and enhancing the operational flexibility of embarked forces. 2. The Juan Carlos IL-61. The Juan Carlos I is a multi-purpose amphibious assault ship of the Spanish Navy commissioned in 2010. Like the Type 076, it has a ski jump ramp for launching aircraft and is capable of carrying a variety of helicopters and landing craft. The ship's design allows for a robust air wing while also supporting traditional amphibious assault operations. The Juan Carlos I is notable for its versatility, being able to operate in humanitarian missions, disaster relief, and combat operations, much like the anticipated roles of the Type 076. 3. The HMS Queen Elizabeth. The HMS Queen Elizabeth is a British aircraft carrier launched in 2014, featuring a twin-island configuration similar to the Type 076. While primarily an aircraft carrier, its design allows for a hybrid role, including the capability to operate as an amphibious assault ship. The integration of advanced flight operations and the ability to support various fixed-wing and rotary-wing aircraft position it as a versatile platform for modern naval warfare. The similarities in design philosophy highlight the growing trend of combining air power with amphibious operations in contemporary naval architecture, akin to the developments seen in the Type 076. Future outlook. Predictions for the Type 076 Yulan Class Amphibious Assault Ship. As the Type 076 Yulan Class Amphibious Assault Ship continues to take shape, its implications for naval warfare and regional security are significant. This vessel represents a pivotal advancement in amphibious capabilities, particularly in integrating advanced air operations and drone technology. Here are some predictions for the future concerning the Type 076 and its role within the People's Liberation Army Navy plan and beyond. 1. Enhanced operational capabilities. The Type 076 is likely to redefine amphibious operations through its advanced design and technological features. With a focus on air power and the integration of drones, it is expected to support a broader range of missions, including amphibious assaults. The ship will facilitate traditional landing operations with enhanced air support, enabling rapid troop deployment and logistical support. Maritime strike and ISR. Equipped with drones such as the GJ-11 UCAV, the Type 076 could conduct long-range strikes and intelligence surveillance and reconnaissance ISR missions, extending the operational reach of the plan. Humanitarian assistance and disaster relief. Its large flight deck and capacity for carrying supplies may also position the Type 076 as a key asset in humanitarian missions, showcasing China's naval prowess and soft power. 2. Strategic shift in amphibious warfare. The introduction of the Type 076 reflects a strategic shift in how amphibious warfare is conceptualized. Unlike traditional amphibious assault ships that primarily rely on rotary-wing aircraft, the Type 076 emphasizes fixed-wing drone operations, which may alter operational doctrines. Future conflicts may see increased reliance on drones. The operational paradigm will likely shift towards a more drone-centric approach, allowing for remote engagement in contested areas and reducing risks to crewed aircraft. Integrated warfare systems. The Type 076 will serve as a platform for integrated warfare, where drones provide real-time targeting data for anti-ship missiles and assist in electronic warfare, enhancing the overall effectiveness of naval operations. 3. Influence on regional naval dynamics. As China continues to expand its naval capabilities, the Type 076 will play a crucial role in shaping regional naval dynamics. Its capabilities are likely to have several implications. Deterrence strategy. The presence of advanced amphibious assault ships like the Type 076 will enhance China's deterrence posture in the Indo-Pacific, particularly concerning Taiwan and South China Sea disputes. Regional arms race. Other nations in the region may respond by enhancing their amphibious and aerial capabilities, potentially leading to an arms race focused on advanced naval technologies. 4. Technological advancements and innovations. The Type 076 design and construction are indicative of China's broader ambitions to lead in naval technology. Future developments may include further refinements in drone technology. As the Type 076 becomes operational, there will likely be innovations in drone capabilities, including improvements in stealth range and payload capacity, enabling more sophisticated operations. Development of advanced launch systems. The anticipated use of Electromagnetic Aircraft Launch Systems (EMALS) will set a precedent for future vessels, enhancing the launch and recovery of both crewed and uncrewed aircraft. 5. Potential collaborative naval operations. As the Type 076 comes into service, it may also facilitate collaborative naval operations with other nations. Future scenarios could include joint amphibious exercises. China may engage in joint exercises with other nations to showcase its capabilities and strengthen bilateral military relations, especially with countries interested in enhancing their amphibious warfare capabilities. Increased interoperability. The integration of modern technologies may lead to opportunities for interoperability with allied forces in multinational operations, although geopolitical tensions may complicate such collaborations. 6. Impacts on global maritime security. The deployment of the Type 076 could have broader implications for global maritime security. With increased capabilities come potential challenges, including escalation of maritime conflicts. The enhanced capabilities of the Type 076 could exacerbate existing tensions in contested waters, leading to a higher likelihood of confrontations. Evolution of maritime law and protocols. As nations adapt to the changing landscape of naval warfare, there may be calls for updates to international maritime law to address the use of unmanned systems and new operational paradigms. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Type 076 Yulan Class Amphibious Assault Ship represents a transformative step in naval warfare, blending traditional amphibious capabilities with advanced air power and drone technology. Its operational deployment is expected to shape regional dynamics, influence global maritime security, and redefine amphibious warfare concepts. As construction progresses and the ship enters service, it will likely become a focal point for the plan's future operations and a significant factor in the evolving landscape of maritime power.